We are live on scene in Plymouth, Massachusetts, North Plymouth, where the Cat Lady's house is being torn down.
Mansion being taken down by these fine gentlemen. It's great to see the eyesore gone. It's been a long time.
What about the rats?
Well, we've had rat problems. Homeless people were staying in here. Now it's all going to be cleaned up. It's going to be access to the park, and I'm sure the town of Plymouth will do a fine job.
Something that's good because this building's been vacant for a long time. It's good to see it's gone. Something they're going to put a nice park in here, so it'll be good.